back. We are going to be installing a new cool Denali shifter. So here's the part number if you want it. There. Rid of my old used one, and it'll match all the other stuff I got that's shiny and new. So right now we're gonna do is take off this dash piece. We're gonna take off this piece, which is just two 7mm bolts that hold it, and then little snappers, so you pull it apart. And then you can pull this, the little tilter thing back, and after that, you got four 10mm screws that hold a metal brace in here. So let's get that on or off. That popped off, and then there's those four 10mm nuts right there. 1, 2, 3, 4s on the other side. Then you can pull this off. However I pull it off. There we go, somewhere. But anyways, we'll get that off. and then we get to take this orange cable off. But I see if you have screws in there, wherever this hole is. There you go. See, mine are missing. Oh, never mind, there's one right there. So yeah, we're gonna pull that off, and then we'll get there, and there's an orange cable right there that we're gonna be popping off. So nagging some stuff, you can get the bottom piece off, which is right here, and after that you can get a T27 right there. You put it in here, and then get that out, and then that's what holds it on. But make sure you can clip that cord, and you should be good. Here's the difference. It's leather stitched, has the chrome piece, and this one's just plastic old. It's obviously 16 years old, so let's get her in. Just gotta reverse the process. Also gonna clean the boot out real quick. First problem, heard it's plug and play. It's not, unless I'm just not doing it right. But the plugins are way different. Like this one's bigger and this one's smaller, but I think I might just clip it or cut this and cut this, because it's just two white wires and black wires, and then this is the same thing. So I might do that a little later. So come back here in a second and we'll do it. So I'm back. So I was at work when I was doing that. So after this, I'm just gonna splice them together and then use this plug. So I already cut this one off. See how much smaller and tinier it is compared to this. And then so I was kind of concerned, but should be an easy fix. I just got some more of these shrinkable butt connector thingies, or whatever, splicer things, and I love these. I buy them all the time. So once I run out, I buy another pack. Definitely nice to have. We got her all spliced up. The stupid thing is, I was gonna put a bigger black sleeve over it. This wire is like hair. It's not like the regular metallic metal filling of wire like how it usually feels. It literally was like hair. So when I was like twisting them together, they would just not twist. So yeah, so these will hold up. I was gonna try and make it a little cleaner and put an extra sleeve over, covering all four wires of them with some actual shrink wire, just some plain old shrink wire. But so here it is. That's my new gauge too. It's cool. So we'll put her in manual mode. Turn off the light. This is what they look like too. It's cool. So it's all, I'm hitting all the buttons, all my gears, toe works. I need T27 Torx bit, and then 10mm sockets, and the 7mm socket, and then splicing in. Definitely recommend these wire connectors. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not too bad. Maybe an hour or so, but yeah, that's it. Works out. I'll put down a link below to grab one, or one of these levers. Super nice. Love it. I love that leather. So